Hello, my blue group. Miss C here. I hope that you all are safe and you are still in high spirits. And like we say in showbiz, the show must go on. So, in today's lesson, we will review everything that we did last class. We will add things on. I will review our combination. Great. So, last class, we did our name writing with a part of our bodies, which was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. We talked about the emotions sadness, felicity or bliss, anger, peace, satisfaction. We also played around with partnering, with our weight sharing, being connected with one part of the body, which was absolutely beautiful. So, for your assignment, I would love for you to, and we also touched on a combination that I will review in this video today. Now, for the final, I'm thinking, and of course this is all up for negotiation. When I see you next, we can talk about it if there is something that you feel more comfortable presenting, okay? For now, I would love for you to focus on your name writing with your body. Let's explore that awareness further. But I want you to intertwine it with the emotions that we also focused on in class. For example, if that means that you are writing your name as if you are angry, then let's angrily write our names with any part of the body that you choose. If you decide to use your elbow or your chest or your hands or your nose or your foot or your knee or your hips, that is fine, okay? But remember, tie that movement in with an emotion so that we can pick up what you are throwing down, okay? Let's review the short combination that we learned in class for our brains. And then I will give you the further assignment to that combination, okay? So, remember we start with our feet loosely apart. No pressure, we are just merely moving through the space, okay? Here we go. We swing to the right. We snake to the middle. Swing over to the left. We go back, back, front with our feet. Our arms are free. We go back on the right foot, back on the left foot, front on the right foot. Yes? We now roll with our foot up to plant it down. We are now going to open to our knee, okay? Remember, we do our star to the knee. Our right leg alone is bent. We push the knee in. We bring our left foot to the back of our right foot. And then we bring our feet together, okay? Let's do that again. Let's break it down nice and slow. We go. Swing, snake, swing, back, back, front, starting on the right. Back, back, front. We roll our feet. We roll to put it down, open to your knee. We star to the knee, push, push down, left foot back, go left and together. Okay? One more time, all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go swing, snake, swing, back, back, front. Roll it up, put it down, star to the knee, push, left foot, back, stand together. Okay? Now one thing I want you to remember, I do not want you to look like a dancer. I want you to look like you, okay? Your assignment with that combination is to play around with the different speeds within the combination, okay? What that means is if I take the combination and I decide that I want to swing fast, but then slow down on my back, back, front. And then speedily go to my star and to my knee. And then slowly bring my left foot back, and feet together. Okay? I hope that that is clear and makes sense. If it is not, just review the combination, come in with it solidified, and we'll add further on when we get into class, okay? Please have fun, and I cannot wait to see you again.